Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Shark Bait Tea. So I got my 32-ounce cup and I got a little water in the bottom, and I'm going to add 1 scoop of tropical twist fiber. In another cup, I'm going to add strawberry stevia, 1 teaspoon, and a teaspoon and a half of raspberry tea. This will be the topper for the tea. Then I'm going to add blue raspberry stevia to my tropical twist fiber. Stir that around, add a little bit of ice, and then add my lemon lime Liftoff. Then I'm going to add a little bit more of the blue raspberry stevia to get that blue color. Add ice and water, and add my Shark Gummies to the top. And then I'm going to top it with the strawberry and raspberry tea. And that's how you make the Shark Bait Tea. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if this helped you in any way.